Hi guys! Alright, so today there is no guided practice because today is our review day. Now please remember you will be taking your math test this week, and it's always a great idea to review everything we've learned to make sure that you can answer the questions by yourself. I would love it if you reviewed with your grown-ups at home, but if you can't, that is okay. I will be hosting a Zoom review, so we'll go over the questions and answers of those ones that you need help with. So today you're going to be turning to page 324 in your textbook. Remember it says topic 13 test at the top. What you're going to need is a piece of paper and a pencil so that you can write down your answers just like we would do in class. So please make sure as you go through the test review today, you read each question carefully. Now I've noticed that some of you had some trouble on your quick checks, and I feel that it's not because you don't know how to do the question. I think it's because you did not read the question carefully or count carefully enough when you were looking for certain perimeters. So please make sure to be very precise with your numbers. So what your job today is to go through each question, read it, and figure out which answer is the best one. And then we will go over it as a group, and this is a 2-page review. So there are 13 questions. And I understand again if you don't have grid paper, but please try your very best to answer these questions. And I hope everybody will come to our Zoom review, not only because I want to see you guys, but I want to help you with your learning. So please try your very best on the review today. And hopefully I will see you guys at the review. Have a fabulous day, guys. Bye.